In this video, I'm going to show you how to get perfectly cooked rice every single time. Step number 1, get your rice. I go with jasmine. Step number 2 is figuring out how you're going to cook it. Stovetop, electric cooker, or microwave. I don't recommend microwave. I'm going to recommend electric rice cooker. And this is the rice cooker I'm using. They are not expensive and worth the investment if you're going to be cooking a lot of rice. On the back of the rice bag are the instructions. Basically, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Cook for 25 minutes. Now, arguably the most important part of cooking rice is washing your rice. It does take time, but it's removing all the starches, any dirt the rice might have on it. So very important to take your time, wash your rice, and make sure by the end of most likely about 4 washings to get the water as clear as possible. That was washing number 1. Now this is washing number 2. The water is getting a little bit clearer each time. Now you can see the water is getting really nice and clear, and I think that's about it. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water to the rice, and it's as simple as that. I'm going to take a tablespoon of butter and throw that into the rice. And now time to season the rice with a little bit of sea salt, about a tablespoon. And the same for this Badia all-purpose seasoning. Really gives the rice a nice flavor and a nice aroma. You could smell it throughout the entire house. Mix it up, make sure it's kind of all incorporated. And once that is done, we're going to transfer that to the rice cooker. All you gotta do is just plop it in there, put the lid on, and push down the button. It'll switch over to warm once it's done in about 25 minutes. 25 minutes are up now. Be careful to take the lid off. Sometimes they come really hot. And now we're going to fluff the rice. It's really important to note not to take the cover off the rice as it's cooking, that it could affect the final outcome. Now, once you've fluffed your rice, you're gonna let that set and wait for about 10 minutes. It doesn't seem super important, but it really does to make sure the rice is perfectly cooked at the end. I unplug the rice cooker, leave the lid a little bit off, and this is the final product. Delicious jasmine white rice. Tonight for dinner, we are gonna be having pulled pork and some fried plantains to go along with this white rice. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, liking, and be sure to watch the video where I show how I made my pulled pork. Thanks for watching.